how to calculate shipping on Depop. Google search for Depop shipping calculator and open up this first website that pops up right here. You can choose your country from the list: US, UK, Australia, or Europe. We're gonna do UK for this. And first we will need to enter the original price, how much we bought it for. Let's say that we bought it for £10. Listing price, we have listed it for £20. Markup is 100%. We will leave it as Depop shipping. Buyer paid shipping, enter the buyer paid shipping cost. So let's say that it's going to be £5. Seller paid shipping, if you're paying for shipping yourself. No, we will not. So here, Depop selling fee, if applicable, the selling fee, which is a set 10% outside of the UK or US or all listings. It is not going to be outside of the UK, so we will leave it like that. Is listing boosted? No. Payment service, Depop payments, Depop payment fee service. So here's where it calculates it. It's going to be 2.9%. And here you will see your gross profit, which is going to be $8 in our case. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.